Hey naturals, welcome back to another hair treatment video. In today's video we are going to be making a deep conditioner and we need only one main ingredient, which is oats. This treatment will leave your hair feeling very soft. It improves your hair shine, it prevents split ends, hair loss, and also promotes healthy hair growth. Like I've been seeing a lot of people use oats to make hair treatment, deep conditioner and other stuff, and I decided to try it out and I was so amazed by the results. That's why I decided to share it here for you guys to see. The procedure is very easy, just the same way you make your oats for eating. That's the same thing you're going to do in this video with a little twist, and the video is really self-explanatory, so I am just going to leave you guys to focus on the video while I leave you guys with the background music. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please don't make it your last time. On this channel, I share a lot of hair growth remedies, and I also have a second channel where I share mostly my lifestyle and skincare. So you might want to take a minute of your time to go through that my second channel. And guys, if you love my videos, you find my videos helpful, please always remember to like each of my videos you watch so that YouTube can push out the videos to other people who are looking for natural hair remedies. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you're watching without subscribing. The second ingredient we are using is coffee. Coffee is very good when it comes to hair growth. The caffeine in coffee helps to stimulate hair growth and also stop hair loss. Coffee also helps to prevent premature growing, and it also helps to prevent split ends. So I am using a teaspoon of coffee and I'm just going to use this to blend the oats to give us that smooth consistency. Like I said earlier, this video is self-explanatory, so I am just going to leave you guys to focus on the video. So guys, today happens to be my wash day, meaning I have just shampoo and conditioned my hair. So that's why I'm going ahead to use this deep conditioner. And guys, this is my first time of using oats on my hair and I really love it. Like, it left my hair feeling very soft and shiny. and I'm definitely going to be trying this many more times. Like, I'm going to be using oat to make other hair growth treatment on this channel. Have you ever tried oat on your hair? Like, if you've done it, let me know your experience. How was it? Did you love the result? Did it make your hair soft? Leave it in the comment section. I would love to know your experience. So guys, the application is really very simple. I should have done this in the bathroom, but for the purpose of this video, I decided to do it out here for better lightning so that you guys can see it very well. I just make sure I apply it all over my scalp, my edges, my hairline. Then I massage my scalp and go ahead to put my hair in a twist. So guys, that's just all I did for this application, and I really love the result. Like guys, I really love it, and I would advise you try this oat on your hair if you've not been using it. And guys, deep conditioning your hair is something you should do every month. So if you've not been doing that, or if you've been thinking of what to use to deep condition your hair, just go into your kitchen and make use of your oats, and you will love the results. So guys, I'm just going to massage my hair very well. Then I'll go ahead to cover up my hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag, and just let this treatment sit on my hair for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and rinse it off without using any shampoo, and that is just all. You can go ahead to seal in moisture with your hair oils and other stuff that you use to seal in your moisture, and that is just all for this treatment, guys. I do hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Till I see you guys in my next video, stay safe. Bye guys.